Okay, so let's take a look at the new visual genealogy reports that we just released. This is a fantastic tool that now you can use to develop your business even better than before. So you can see here that in a single snapshot, you can see even thousands of members and partners and whatever in your organization. Let's take a look at how it works. So you see here we are in this genealogy as an example. Okay, this is the same one that you're gonna have, and you can already see who are the partners in your front line. And then you see a lot of other circles here, and this circle are exactly the other members of your organization. If you just pass the cursor here, you can see the entire upline of everyone. When you click on each one of them, it will open all their information, okay, about their ID, the name, country, their GPS type, the last month income level, and the current month income level, how many of their partners have already paid, how many still have to pay, and the same for the group partners. Okay, then that's not all, of course. From here you can see the entire upline of everyone, including then here you can see the different colors here, the circle. So you have the blue dark, these are the partners who pay their monthly fee. The red ones are the ones who still have to pay, they are in their 30 days grace period. And then you see all the trial partners. Okay, you can go down to a very deep one, for instance, of a line of trial partners like this one. I can just click here and automatically displayed all the upline of trial partners here. Okay, so I can go up and see up to the first partners on those lines. Then I can communicate through the internal mailing system if you are a pro or above, and communicate with that entire line of trial partners or partners or whatever. Okay, and so you see all the upline up to yourself. Okay, so this is a very great, fantastic tool that we're gonna implement even more in the next days and weeks, but this will become the main tool for your everyday work. I hope you like it.